So this is the 2014 Junior Cert Ordinary Level Paper 1 and we're looking at question number 7. VAT in Ireland is charged at different rates on different items. So VAT is value added tax. For instance, children's shoes have a VAT rate of 0%. Bulls have a VAT rate of 4.8%. And newspapers have a VAT rate of 9%. Part A says, a pair of children's shoes cost €20 before VAT is added. Write down the cost of the shoes after VAT is added. Well, we can see that children's shoes have a VAT rate of 0%. So it's going to be 0% onto the 20. So that's just going to be €20. It's not going to affect it if there's no VAT. €20. Part B, a bull is sold for €1,600 or €1,600 before VAT is added. Find the cost of the bull after VAT is added. Okay, so for the bull has a VAT rate of 4.8%. So we're going to add the 4.8% to the 1,600. Okay, so the two ways you could do this. You can, well, there's a few ways. You can multiply your €1,600 or €1,600 by 4.8%. So you can just do this on the calculator using the percent button. And that gives you 76.80. So that's the 4.8%. And then you can just add that onto the 1,600 because it's value added tax, it's added on. So 1,600 plus 76.80, and that gives us €1,676.80. So that's one way to do it. Another way to do it is if we add 4.8% on, well, we're adding that to 100%, so 100% plus 4.8%, well, that's just 104.8%. So you can just multiply the €1,600 by that number, 104.8% using the calculator button, and that'll just give you your answer straight away of 1,676.80. But those two answers are the same, as you can see. So either method there is acceptable. Okay, finally, part C, a newspaper costs €2.18 after VAT is added. Find the cost of the newspaper before VAT is added. Okay, so for a newspaper, $2.18 after VAT is added. If we go back, the newspaper has a VAT rate of 9%. Okay, so if 9% has been added, this 9% is included in this price. So if 9% is added to the 100, that gives us 109%. So we know that 109% is actually the €2.18. So that's including the VAT at 9%. And we're trying to find the cost of the newspaper before VAT is added. In other words, we're trying to find 100%. So the easiest way to do that is to find 1% first, and then to find 100%. So to find 1%, we just divide our €2.18, divide that by 109, and that will give us 1%. So 2.18 divided by 109, you do that in your calculator, that gives you 0.02 or 2 cents. So 1% is 2 cents, and if we then want to find what 100% is, well, 100% will be the 0.02, which is 1%, multiplied by 100. And that just gives us €2. So €2 is the cost of the newspaper before VAT is added. That's our answer, and that's the end of the question.